What to do when the stock market crash with real life example and proven strategy. The stock market has crashed. Panic is everywhere. People are selling in fear. But do you know what the world's smartest investor do during a crash? They don't panic. They prepare to build massive wealth. How to profit from a stock market crash? In this video, I will show you exactly what to do during a crash using real life example, proven data and timeless strategies used by people like Warren Buffett and top institutions. By the end, you will know how to protect your money and even grow it during the worst of time. What's coming next? How Warren Buffett handle crashes? What big institution do behind the scene? A 4-step crash-proof strategy you can start today. So let's start. The nature of stock market crashes. Crashes feel like the end of the world, but they are not new and they are not permanent. Real life example: 2008 financial crisis. The S&P 500 dropped 50%, but smart investors who bought at the bottom saw their wealth triple in just 5 years. Market crash every 8 to 10 years. But remember, recovery follow every time. What smart investors do during a market crash. For example, in 2008, everyone was selling in fear, but Warren Buffett invested $5 billion in Goldman Sachs. That investment has now multiplied. Remember, Warren Buffett say, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Strategy: dollar cost averaging. Instead of guessing bottom, invest fixed amounts regularly. You buy more share when prices are low. This builds wealth over time. For more details, my highly valuable premium course coming soon. Please check in description for special offer. Thank you. How institutional investor profit from stock market crash. For example, BlackRock, Vanguard, they don't panic. They buy great stocks at huge discount. That's how they build lasting wealth. Strategy: buy quality on sale. Imagine buying an iPhone at 50% off. That is what a crash is. Discounted ownership of the world-based businesses. This strategy is all about buying great companies at low prices due to fear, panic, or short-term problems. The key is to focus on high-quality businesses with strong fundamentals, brand power, and long-term growth potential. Then buy when their stock price drops significantly. For example, Facebook, Meta, 2022 when crash. What happened? In 2022, Meta, Facebook saw its stock price fall by over 70% from its all-time high. The reason include declining ad revenue, concern about user growth, huge spending on the metaverse, reality labs, overall tech market sell-off due to rising interest rates. Stock price September 2021 $380, November 2022 $90. Why? It was a quality stock on sale. Massive user base across Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. Strong free cash flow. Dominate position in digital ad, pivoting to new technologies despite short-term costs. What happened next? By early 2024, Meta rebounded to over $500 plus, a 5x return from the bottom. Investors who bought during the crash made massive gains. Example 2, Apple, 2016. What happened? In 2016, Apple stocks fell by more than 25% because people were worried that iPhone sales were slowing down. Many on Wall Street through Apple had reached its peak and was not coming up with existing new products anymore. Stock price July 2015 $130, May 2016 $90. Why? It was a quality stock on sale. Massive loyal customer base, strong brand power, growing ecosystem, Mac, iPad, App Store, services, consistent revenue and cash flow. Warren Buffett also buying Apple stock this time. What happened next? Apple continued launching new iPhone services and wearables. The stock increased very quickly and significantly past $300 split adjusted within a few years. Investors saw a 3 to 4x return by holding through the fear. The lesson: buying high quality companies when the market is panicking can lead to life changing returns. It's like buying an iPhone, Tesla, or Gucci bag at 50% off, not because they are broken, but because others are scared. What to look for during a market crash? Number 1, industry leader with strong balance sheets. Number 2, proven profitability and future growth. Number 3, temporary problems, not permanent decline. Number 4, products or services people cannot live without. But how the market recovers after a crash? How the market recovered after a crash. Real life example: the COVID-19 crash 2020. In March 2020, the S&P 500 fell by 33% in just a few weeks. But those who bought in saw their investment grow by 60% plus within a year. Historical stock market recoveries: 2008 financial crisis, S&P 500 down over 50% and then full recovery within a 4 years. Another example: 2000 dot-com bubble, Nasdaq down over 49% and then full recovery within a 6 years. Lesson: market recovery after every major crash. So how you can take advantage of the next crash? How you can take advantage of the next crash? Want to invest but don't want to take risks? Then this proven strategy for you. Focus on index fund. Warren Buffett also advised these strategies. If picking individual stocks feels risky, invest in the S&P 500. Over 20 plus years, it has always delivered solid returns after crashes. For example, a $10,000 investment in the S&P 500 in 2008 would be worth $50,000 plus today. But what not to do during a market crash? What not to do during a market crash? Number 1, don't panic sell. Most losses are not from the crash, they are from selling at the bottom. Number 2, don't try to time the market. Even professionals fail at this. Stay invested. Number 3, don't ignore the opportunity. If you don't buy low, you miss the biggest gain. For example, 2022 Tesla stock crash. Stock price drop, peak price around $407 in November 2021, pre-split adjusted. Lowest point dropped to around $101 by January 2023. Total drop over 75%, decline from its peak. What happened next? Recovery in 2023. Tesla stock made a strong comeback from $101 in January 2023 to over $250 by mid-2023. Investors regain confidence due to record delivery numbers, price cuts driving higher volume, optimize around AI, full self-driving and energy division. Key takeaways for investors: even great companies can have brutal crashes. Panic selling often leads to regret. Conviction and patience during downturn can yield huge rewards. Never bet against innovation and strong brand loyalty. Final game plan: your 4-step crash proof strategy. Number 1, keep buying through dollar cost averaging. Number 2, hold high quality stocks and index fund. Number 3, don't panic sell. And number 4, think long term, more than 10 plus years. Remember, market recovery after every major crash. Final thought: every crash is an opportunity. The question is, will you be the one who panic or the one who profits? For more details, my highly valuable premium course coming soon. Please check in description for special offer. Thank you. Final thought, the stock market is the number one tool for building wealth. If you are not investing, you are falling behind. Here's your challenge. Invest just $10 today. Then comment below, I did it. Let's see how many future millionaires are watching this. And if you found this video valuable, subscribe and press the bell icon for watching my full life-changing, highly proven stock market series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Disclaimer, this video is not for any buying or selling recommendation. It's only for educational purpose and example purpose. I am not any financial license holding advisor. Before investing or taking any decision, please consult with your license holding financial advisor. Thank you.